Hello guys and welcome back to my CapCut Beginner Masterclass. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed ramp your videos in CapCut PC. So once again, this is lesson 8 of our CapCut Beginner Masterclass. So to begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. And as you can see here, this video is playing at regular speed. To speed up this clip, all you need to do is to select this clip over here and move over to the speed tab over here and select it. And as you can see, we have the standard, we have the curve, and we have the velocity effect. Let's begin with the standard over here. Now, because it's at regular speed, you can see that it's on 1.0. This video is going to be playing at regular speed. But if you go ahead and increase the speed of this clip over here, for example, if you move it up to ×2 of the speed, you'll notice that the duration of this clip has also been shortened. Now, if you go back to the beginning and hit play, you'll notice that the video is playing at a much increased velocity. If you come over here and reduce the speed of your clip over here, you will notice that the length of this clip has drastically increased. And if we hit play now, you can see how slowly this clip is moving right now. That's because we have adjusted the speed. So if you increase the speed to 3x over here, you will notice that the duration of this clip has even become way shorter. And if I go back and hit play, you can see how fast it has become. If you go ahead and increase it some more, you will notice that it has even become even more shorter. And if we hit play, you can see how fast this clip has become. I'm going to take it back to 1x over here to take it back to regular speed. And now let's come over to the curves over here. With these curves, we have templates that we can use to speed ramp our clips. What this does is that it allows us to speed up specific portions of the clip and slow down specific portions of the clip. For example, if I come over here and select montage, as you can see the curve over here, automatically you would notice that we have these keyframes over here, and these keyframes have been added to our clips. We can see these keyframes at these positions over here. Now, if I go back and hit play, what you will notice is that this clip is going to start a little bit below regular speed. This line here signifies 1x, which is regular speed, and increase above 5x and slow down over here and return back to regular speed. Let's hit play so you can see it. So slowly it moves to regular speed, speed ups, and then it slows down again and it goes back to regular speed. There are other templates over here like this. If we select this template and we go back to the beginning and hit play, you can see how these templates affect our clips. So it speeds up at different intervals and it slows down at a different interval. So this is below the regular speed because we have 1x over here. This is slow motion, but then it increases speed over here. It speed ramps over here and goes back to slow motion. So if I go back here and hit play, you will see what we're talking about over here. Slow motion over here. It approaches this portion over here and it speed ramps here. And then it slows down again. You can also customize this template to your liking. For example, if you select any of these keyframes over here, you can adjust the duration of this slow motion over here. You can move it up to your liking. There are different keyframes. You can move the left. You can adjust this other keyframe to start and go this way. Basically, you can adjust it to your liking. Once you've created a template you prefer, you can come down here and select smooth slow motion and change the option over here to optical flow. And if you go back and hit play, this is just a random test. You can see what we have now is going really slowly. All of a sudden, it jerks up and then it slows down again. And then it's working with the optical flow effect. You can also come over here and select custom to create your entire speed ramp from scratch. And you can move these keyframes to your liking, move this position down a bit, and then move this position up a bit. Another thing you can do to your clips is to split your clips into different halves and then select a different portion over here and you can adjust the speed ramp of that specific portion of your clip. And that's it guys on how to speed ramp your videos in CapCut PC. Thank you and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.